Oh, hello everybody. Good morning. Today I'm gonna show all of you the Cuban cardio super morning breakfast weekend. Just is what I use or what we use to recovery, be energized after all the training during the week. So it's one of the breakfasts I've been using for years, for the last 10 years, to keep in shape, to keep it good and achieve result and perform better. So just a mix of all type of oats and bran oats. We mix it up and we use fruits, special green fruits like apples or green apples or red apples. Then mix up all the up with coconut and chia and all bran. When all the mix and 6 to 8 eggs. A little bit oil on the pan and put in the on the kitchen on the heat, and as soon as heat it's just all put inside. Yep. And after we'll mix it up, put inside all the content. Then you accommodate all the oats. It's very important that the heat will be not too hot the fire, just moderate, and just press a little bit to get all completely flat, as much flat possible without pressing too much. And then all the oats, mix it up. Yep. Yeah. Once it's all mixed, once it's all completely on the pan, not a stick pan. It's just an easy recipe, Cuban cardio, super morning, breakfast, weekend, build, recovery, and energize. A super protein Cuban cardio breakfast. Keep it up for 10 minutes and 10 to 15 minutes and you will be ready for your super breakfast. And the Cuban cardio always with 15-minute easy recipes for breakfast and lunch and dinners. Build, recovery, and energize with high protein, low carbohydrate, and essential fat acid to burn fat quickly and achieve the best results. So ready for this after a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes ready. So we're gonna do the turn. We take it off. And remember, this is important. You know, this is one of my techniques. You get a plate and cover the pan, then a little bit of turn on top, put it in and inside. So slowly, try to fix it in, and once you fix it, you just cover again for 3 minutes and then it could be completely done. So another good thing you can do on the top for those who really have a little bit of sweet tooth or really like to feel a little bit sweet on the on food, so you can add a little bit of honey on the top, just a little bit of honey. So you get a spoon, you open again, and then with a spoon, tiny spoon, on the top, and get the honey. I just spread the honey on the top, tiny bit, 1 teaspoon of honey, and as you see, easy recipes, 50 minutes, build, recovery, and energize. The Cuban cardio, zero fat, flat belly, and look good, get younger anytime, anywhere, and keep tuned. See you soon.